These machines were tested because many users complained that their old machines were too loud. All the machines were tested with a humidifier and hose attached, with no mask. They were all tested at the same location with the same noise testing app on a cell phone. ResMed's AirSense 10 averages 54 dB. The DreamStation by Philips Respironics averages 68 dB. The DreamStation 2 by Philips Respironics averages 61 dB. Apex XT Auto averages 50 dB. Transcend's 365 Mini CPAP Auto averages 64 dB. Fisher & Paykel's SleepStyle Auto averages 64 dB.